Today I will use this square scarf, 6.5 square meters. I'll share the size with you. A way to tie the side peony flower. Take the silk square in your hand. It's made of cotton fabric, which is very soft and skin friendly. It's very suitable for our autumn. And choose an egg, and the colour is very elegant. It's a colour like purple taro, which is very charming. Fold the silk scarf into it, then fold the second triangle. After folding to triangles, we need to find the opening, the upper and lower ears, and we can grab and lift them up at the back of the neck. We use a hair tie to tie it up and fix it, and tie a knot to fix it. After tying the rubber band, go back to the front, find the side edges and corners of the scarf. Fold the 4 layers of folds. Align all of them neatly. Squeeze the pleats. We can push the folds on both sides like this. Fold it from top to bottom, one on the left and one on the right. For the pleats, grab the rubber band and tie it like this. Tie it and fix it. After fixing it, hold the top and bottom of the knot. Gently pull the little foot down, peel it off little by little to open up all these 4 layers of folds. And it's done. This is a delicate and elegant peony knot. When you wear it with a coat, you don't have to worry about getting cold easily, but also has a small flower decoration, making you more elegant and charming. Have you learned